Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do my makeup using only Juvia's Place products because I finally got the whole shebang. I finally got the whole setup, you know. So we just gonna get on into it. So I've already did my eyebrows, as you can see, and two different shapes, but what ifs, okay? This eyebrow always give me trouble. But anyways, let's go ahead and start off by applying my foundation. This is the I Am Magic Juvia's Place foundation, and it's in the color Kenya. Y'all, and excuse the white stuff on my face because it's actually, what is it called? Primer. It's actually primer, okay? So, alright, so what I like to do with my foundation is put it on back of my hand like this, and I'm gonna use a flat brush, and then I like to kind of tap everything on all over my face. Like this. Start to work it in like this, y'all, and I like to tap it and use circular motions. So first of all, I'm sorry if the light is not good. I got the blinds open and I got my ring light, and this, to me, like, it still seems like the lighting isn't good. So excuse that. So what I like to do is dab my brush over my brows too, just to get that little hue, together. And I'm gonna get my, I don't know, I guess it's like a flat type brush, but I'm gonna dab some of my foundation on it and just put it right there, and then kind of blend it out. You really can use a smaller brush for this, but what else? And that's just to tone down what I just did with the eyebrows and stuff. So alright, so what I'm gonna do is, since I got some more, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my neck and my chest area. This is some really good foundation. I've always loved Juvia's Place foundation, y'all. And I hope I'm talking loud enough. Well, I'm gonna have to turn the volume up probably. But anyway, so just blend everything. Alright. So now what I'm gonna do is go into this. This is the Juvia's Place concealer in the color 12. It doesn't have the name, but it's just the color 12, but like this. And so what I'm gonna do is the same thing. I'm gonna put some of it on the back of my hand like that. I put everything on the back of my hand because I just feel like you can better control it that way, you know what I'm saying? So, and then I'm just gonna alright, so what I did was I just let it dry a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go in and blend it out. And I let it sit for a while, y'all, so that it'll kind of get tacky and matte like. and then I just blend it out. And that keeps most of the product on your face instead of like coming off or whatever. This light is just, I guess that's okay. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I ordered both of these Juvia's Place foundation sticks, and I think this is a darker one. Yeah, so this one is in the color Tunisia, I think that's how you say it, but it's a shade stick, and I got it a little darker because I want to use it as a contour, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to cut them cheeks like that, girl, and then like that. So just a little higher than this, but whatevs. Oh, I shouldn't have did that. Whatever. So now I have this little angle light brush, and I'm just gonna blend everything. Ooh, ooh, honey. Honey. Is this the one I just used? Let's see. Yeah. Honey. I'm just gonna blend. And this brush is actually from Juvia's Place. It is. It's a J121 angle contour brush. I haven't ordered any more brushes. When I ordered these brushes, they were on like sale. So it was like a set. And it's been like a year or two ago since that, so. Ooh, y'all. Alright, so then I'm going to take my flat brush, flat face brush, and I'm just going to, this is the same brush I added my foundation on with, and I'm just going to blend everything out a little better. Just like that. Because my eyes, under my eyes, are quick, y'all, to crease up, and girl, So I'm gonna blend some more, but before I do that, I'm gonna take this powder. It's Juvia's Place setting powder, and this is a color Gobi. And then when you open it, there you go. So I'm gonna place this powder under my eye and let it sit while I finish the rest. And just like that. And actually, I done messed up and put too much powder, y'all. So take some more of this shade stick that I use as like a contour. I'm gonna dab on my wrist, and then I'm just gonna and then while I got that going on, I'm going to put some powder on my nose. Alright, y'all, so now let's get to the eyeshadow. I really forgot about the eyeshadow, but I have two new palettes, and I don't know which one I want to use. I think I want to use this one. It's called the Disco Party, but I would have to do like a dark eye. Let's see. See? Alright, so here is the palette. And this is by Juvia's Place too. This is one of the newer palettes. I'm gonna swirl in this blue here. And then ooh, okay. Ooh. Seems like it's getting bluer and bluer, don't it? Girl. Ooh, that is very blue. Ooh. What color should I put on the lid? Oh. I'm just gonna go big or go home. I'm gonna put this shimmery blue on the lid. And I'm gonna dab it in that shiny blue. And just... y'all, I am feeling this, okay? I'm feeling it. So what I'm gonna do is take this brush. It don't have nothing on it. I just use it for like setting powder or whatever. And I'm just gonna blend kind of up here just to make it a little lighter. Y'all, don't pay attention to the brushes I'm using because this is real ghetto. So do not pay attention to the brushes that I'm using, okay? Because I forgot some of my other brushes was still soaking. But I'm just going to make it dark up in here. Like that. So now, for this eye, I'm going to do it off camera because I'm going to do like an Instagram video. But hold on. Alright, y'all. So, what I did was I just got some of this blue eyeshadow in the palette. And I'm just going under my eye. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna do my hair and put on some clothes, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so that's basically it for this video. This is how the finished result looks. Let me know what y'all think. Are y'all for Juvia's Place? Are y'all against Juvia's Place? Let me know. Let me know. Me personally, obviously, I like Juvia's Place. I love the way my makeup turns out when I do my makeup with Juvia's Place. What else? I think that's about it, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all like this little slay. I hope y'all like this little slay or whatever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel for more hair tutorial, makeup tutorials, y'all. I'm going bigger and better this year for this makeup, for my YouTube, okay? So, I think that's it. Anyways, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Slayed by Tamia, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.